Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the dental specification on an invoice screen. In this video, we will start on an invoice screen. For more information regarding the invoice screen, please refer to the invoice screen user manual linked in this video's description. On an invoice screen for dental, there are two additional fields designated to facilitate billing for dental procedures and consultations. We will now take a look at these fields. Tooth number refers to the specific tooth that the practitioner addressed following the sequence from left to right on a maxilla and mandibula. Click on the tooth number field and complete the relevant information. Tooth surface designates the particular area of the tooth that the practitioner treated. Within this field, you can use the following abbreviations: O for occlusal, I for incisal, B for buccal, and L for lingual. Click on a tooth surface field and complete the relevant information. Click on a close button to exit the invoice screen without saving. The quote button is used to send an estimate to the medical aid. Click on a drop-up menu next to the post only button for switching options. The post only button is used to post the current invoice to the system without switching the invoice to the medical aid. The post and switch button will post the invoice to the system and switch the claim to the medical aid. The post and await response button will post the invoice to the system, switch the claim to the medical aid, and wait for a response from the medical aid to advise if the claim has been accepted or rejected. Click on a drop-up menu next to the Save and Close button for more saving options. Click on a Save button to store the invoice to the debtor's temporary invoices. Click on a Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Save and Close button to save the changes made and return to the diary screen.